So this is a quick video to show users how to create new library items. The EV360 Infinity application allows users to add from their computer, wherever their location is, library items directly into the system, and every library item originates from a text script file. So the first thing that you'll want to do is click the Create New button, and you'll want to make sure that you're selecting the library that you'll want this piece of content to go into, so it is searchable by you or other users once it gets into the system. This library item will be skill development, and you'll notice that the category and subcategories change as a result of previous selections in the previous drop-down boxes. This will be a literary dictation, and I will go ahead and subcategorize that to be a, let's say this will be a commencement address. The speed at which I want my material to be marked at will be 100 words per minute, and this will be a 1-minute take. The marker that gets inserted into the document for readability defaults to an X in parentheses. And other options that I have here are to make this item public for all users to benefit from, or to keep it private for my own individual practice library content. I will keep this particular item public. And then I also want to give this a description, and this is also a searchable field when you're looking for items. You can be as creative as you like here. You might want to throw in words that are consistent for the types of items that you're doing so that they can be searched based on that description field. The next step is to select your raw text file, and these have to be notepad files with the TXT extension. When I click that, I'm going to browse locally to my computer, and I will select this particular literary piece. When I click OK, that item is immediately marked at 100 words per minute for 1 minute in length. And so if we looked at this, there would be approximately 100 words in this library item. The next step is to output your document. This will open up in your word processing software. It is an RTF file that will open up either in Microsoft Word. It will also open up in any other word processing program that will accept the RTF file extension. Once I open up that document and print it off, that's what I'm going to want to use when I'm doing my dictation. For some of the shorter pieces, it may also be easy to read directly off of the screen with what's being displayed here. So once you have your document ready, you might want to practice it a few times to make sure that you can read easily through the words from beginning to end on that piece of dictation. Once you're ready to begin your dictation, you will click the record button, and this will now start receiving the audio. As you can see, the waveform is capturing my voice, and this is going to be the audio portion of this library item. So when you're done with creating your library item, you'll click stop. You have the ability to listen to your audio by clicking play. If you don't like it, you can click record again, and it will record over the entire audio that was there. But if you're ready to submit that, you're going to attach the audio. So clicking attach audio, you want to wait until it finishes uploading. You'll get your success message, and that means the audio file has been uploaded into the EV360 Infinity system. And when you are ready, you will click the save button, and that new library item will immediately be available into the EV360 Infinity system for you to use as practice using the text practice tool or the audio practice tool. Now that item is immediately available to all users if it's been made public. If you made it public and you check the option to allow other users to download the audio, they will be able to download and save the WAV audio file. They will also optionally, if you give them that permission, be able to save the original script file that you marked, so that they can, if you allow it, to open up that script and create their own library item using their own voice for the same piece of material. So that item immediately becomes available into the system as an item where now all users, if it's public, can generate a preview word list. They can do their audio practice from it. They can do their text practice. And if it's your item that you're creating, all of these other items will be available. If you made it a private item, the library item will not show for other users. If you made it public but did not permit other users to download your audio or script, some of these action links will not appear for users based on those permissions. But that's pretty much it in terms of how you can create a new library item that is immediately available within the Infinity system for either you, for your own private library of practice materials, or when you make it public, it's available to all of the Infinity users. Enjoy EV360 Infinity. Thank you.